Having learned from my experience, here is how to secure a promotion or salary raises in your place of employment. To effectively secure a promotion or salary raises in your place of employment begins with knowing your worth. Keep a detailed record of all your job contributions. Keeping stock of all your achievements will help you raise a valid point and present you with well-structured evidence during the conversation. You must set a clear goal for why you need the promotion or salary raises. Setting a clear goal about what you want to accomplish with the promotion or salary raises is the second step to investing